Williamson County has worked with municipalities and the state to create a long-range transportation plan that includes multiple projects to improve safety and mobility throughout the area. Two of these projects are the Great Oaks Drive Bridge Project and the Harryman Road Brushy Creek Road safety improvements. Both of these projects are funded with voter-approved road bonds. Williamson County is seeking your input on these projects by holding 2 open houses. You can find information on the projects and the open houses at www.roadbond.org.
The first project is the Great Oaks Drive Bridge over Brushy Creek. The purpose of the project is to raise the bridge above the 100-year floodplain, to raise the bridge so it no longer obstructs water flow and contributes to flooding to residents along the creek, to enhance safety and mobility for pedestrian and vehicular traffic, to provide a safe route for emergency vehicles and other motorists across the creek during a flood event, and to reconfigure the intersection to improve traffic flow. All projects have limits, and for this project, the limits are restricted to the intersection of Great Oaks Drive and Harryman Road, Brushy Creek Road. Engineers have designed 2 options to address these concerns. The first option, option A, is building a grade-separated 2-lane bridge. The bridge would be elevated to carry traffic over Harryman Road. If you're heading southbound on Great Oaks Drive and wish to continue heading southbound, you do not stop at the intersection. Similarly, if you are heading westbound on Harryman Road and wish to continue westbound, you do not stop at the intersection. For both of these directions of travel, there is a dedicated lane for you that does not have to stop. If you are heading northbound on Great Oaks Drive and wish to continue northbound, or headed eastbound on Harryman Road and wish to continue heading eastbound, you make 1 stop at the intersection similar to today and then continue on your way. Because the 2 roads no longer intersect directly, we have introduced the curved ramp to help you turn from one road to the other. If you are on Great Oaks Drive, heading southbound or heading northbound, and wish to turn onto Harryman Road, you would stop at this intersection, turn onto the curved ramp. When you get to the other end of the ramp, you turn left to head westbound, turn right to head eastbound. If you are on Harryman Road and wish to turn onto Great Oaks Drive, you would stop at the intersection, turn onto the curved ramp, and when you get to the other end, turn left to head southbound or turn right to head northbound. An added benefit of this intersection is that it would reduce cut-through traffic along Brightwater Boulevard. Because Harryman Road headed westbound no longer has to stop, it becomes an attractive option for motorists over Brightwater Boulevard. Also, this option would provide safer travel for hike and bike trail users, as they would be crossing under the bridge and through a tunnel and would no longer have to cross traffic.
Option B is to build an at-grade intersection with a new 4-lane bridge. This option would also elevate the bridge out of the floodplain and elevate Brushy Creek Road, Harryman Road as well. This intersection is very similar to what we have today with the addition of some turn lanes. Intersection operations would improve, but without the added benefit of significantly reducing traffic along Brightwater Boulevard. Traffic flow would improve with the left and right turn lanes, and when the project opened, there would be a signal at the intersection rather than a 4-way stop. Trail users would benefit as well, as they would no longer cross traffic. They would have a tunnel under Great Oaks Drive. Both options have an estimated construction cost of approximately $5 million, and construction is anticipated to begin in the summer of 2017. The other projects being discussed at the open houses are the Harryman Road, Brushy Creek Road safety improvements. This project will add 2-foot shoulders to either side of the road, add rumble striping to the center line and edge lines, and provide turn lanes into Olson Meadows Park and Creekside Park. The limits of the project are from the Brushy Bend Drive low water crossing to Sam Bass Road. We've heard from residents that they would like us to preserve the scenic nature of the road, but make it safer to travel. The 2-foot shoulders will provide a recovery area should you move too far to the right. The rumble striping will alert motorists if they move out of their lane, either across the center line or onto the shoulder, and the 2-foot shoulders will provide a recovery area for them. The turn lanes will help prevent rear-end collisions as people slow down to turn left if the vehicle behind them fails to slow down as well. This project is estimated to cost approximately $2.5 million and is anticipated to begin in the spring of 2017.
Williamson County would like to hear your comments on these 2 projects by attending one of our open houses. The open houses are from 5 to 7 p.m. on June 22nd at the Brushy Creek Mud Community Center or July 14th at the Fern Bluff Mud Community Center. Or you can send an email to roads@wilco.org. Specifically, we'd like to know which option for the bridge you prefer and why. Also, if you have any additional suggestions for traffic or pedestrian movements through these project limits. Thank you.